Okay, my dear students, today I wish to speak about a story. The name of the story is uh, A Greedy King with Us. In the board, you see the story is written and the title, A Greedy King with Us. And after hearing the title, after hearing the intro story, you have to write the moral. So let's start. I am telling the story. Uh, once there was a king. The name of the king was Midas. He was very greedy king. He was very noted for his greediness. He had the huge property, huge amount of the wealth, but yet he was not satisfied of having the huge amount of the wealth. He was not satisfied of his wealth. So he decided that he would start uh, meditation. Or in Bengali you can tell, actually it's not called meditation. He would start tapasya. He for his for increasing his greediness. So one day he went to a jungle and he started meditation or tapasya. Then for his goal, for increasing his huge amount of the asset. So he started his tapasya for a long period of the time to please the wealth of God. So after a long period of the time, the wealth of God, when saw that he was in meditation or he was in tapasya, so he came and he asked the Midas that what did he want? Then Midas told, give him such a kind of blessing so that if he would touch and if he touched anything, the thing would immediately convert it into gold. The wealth of God granted his prayer, smiled and granted his prayer, and he told. Then the greedy king Midas was very pleased, and he touched everything, and he was so. And when he touched everything, the everything converted into the gold. He was so happy that he started jumping in happiness, and he was smiling. And then at that meantime, when sometimes after sometimes he felt very hungry. He went to his dining room to eat the food, and he touched the food, and immediately, by the virtue of the blessing of the wealth of God, the food converted into the gold. So it is very difficult for the greedy king Midas to eat the food. He could not able to eat the food. He was very tensed. He was very confused that how to overcome the situation. At that meantime, he had a daughter. He had a daughter, his lovely daughter, pretty daughter, and she came rashly towards the king, and the king touched his daughter with his affectionate hand. Then what happened? Immediately, his daughter converted into a statue of gold. Then seeing his own daughter, very pathetic condition, converting from a statue of gold from the state of livelihood, she became a statue of gold. He was very shocked and he started crying. And he again prayed to the wealth of God to withdraw his prayer because he could not able to control his heart suffering. So after seeing that particular kind of situation, wealth of God immediately came and withdrew his prayer. And after that entire incident, the critiquing Midas got a kind of relation that everything in this life cannot be measured with the weight of money. Everything in that particular life cannot be measured with the weight of money. There are something like the happiness, truthfulness, their their definition are completely different. So this is the story of the greedy king Midas. I will not tell the moral of the story, but you have to think for the moral. Your moral I kept empty. I remained empty. So I give you a kind of opportunity to think for the moral. You write the moral, then I'll check it, and um, then you listen and after you listen that particular story very carefully and start writing and then send it. Okay. Thanks to our dear students. Thanks to all. That's all.